Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, RJ Coding Tips. I'm so excited today to have you here. In today's video, we are going to make a screenshot app using only a few lines of Python code. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. So let's start the video. So here is the Python file and I'm going to use VS Code Editor. Now open the Python file. First of all, we are going to import the Python module image grep from below. To do that, we write from pil import image grep. And if you haven't installed the image grep module, then you can install it by writing pip install below. Mine has already been installed, so it will say requirement already satisfied. If you haven't installed, then you can install it. After this, we are going to define a function called take screenshot take ss. Inside this function, we are going to declare a variable called image, and we write image grep dot grep. After this, we are going to show the image. So to do that, we are writing image dot show. This will show the image. So we will need the main part of the Python program to call the above function. To do that, we write if underscore name underscore equals underscore main. So this is the main part where our function will be executed. So call the function like take ss. So we can check code if it is working or not. So just run it. So here is the image that we have captured. So this image is only temporary. We need to save it. In order to do that, we can write image.save to save the file. We can give it the file name and the file format. And to do that, we write image name equals img name.png. Basically, this file will be saved in PNG format, image name. So we will see if the file is saved or not. Just run it again. Here we can see the temporary file, temporary image, and after that we will be able to see here. So here is the image we have captured. Now, but if we run it again, we have the image captured. Now it is again replaced with the new image. So the image is overwriting with the new image again and again. It's because we have given only a specific name. But we can change the image name every time a new image is captured. So to do that, we are going to add the time function. To do that, we are going to import time. After this, we are going to write here time format. So in this time format, we are going to write int in integer format and time function. So we are going to get the time format, and here we get the f string so that we can get the time from the above variable and change the name with the time format here. Time format. So this will create a new image in the section here, in this section here, every time a new screenshot has been captured. So let's see if it is working or not. just run the file. So we have captured a new image. Let's close it and let's wait. So here is the new image file. So here is the new image file. And if we run it again, we are going to get another image with a new name with the time format. So let's wait. So let me bring that here down. After saving, we can auto preview it. Then we are going to add this print function here, taking screenshot in, let's say 3 seconds. Okay, after 3 seconds. But we are going to add a custom screenshot timer. So to do that, we are going to add time.sleep and then add 3. This will give the custom timing of 3 seconds. Let's run the code to see if it is working or not. So taking screenshot in 3 seconds, let's add 1, 2, then 3 here. So the file is now saved. So let's run it and change the window. Let's wait like 1, 2, 3. So the image has been captured after 3 seconds and we can see the image. So here is the new image. You can make your own screenshot app by writing these simple lines of Python code. Hope this video helped you in making your own Python application. Links in the description, guys. You can check out the code in GitHub. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time.